In this video, we are going to talk about M0, that is high powered money, narrow money, and broad money. M0 is called reserve money, which is high powered money. M1 is narrow money. M1 comprises of currency with public plus demand deposits in commercial banks plus other deposits with RBI. M0 reserve money, which is also called high powered money, which is equal to currency in circulation plus demand deposits with RBI plus other deposits with RBI. M2 is again narrow money, which comprises of M1 plus post office bank saving demand deposit. M3 is broad money, which comprises of M1 plus time deposits with commercial bank, fixed deposit or recurring deposits. M4 is also broad money, which comprises of M3 plus total post office deposits. Now let's see the liquidity and ranking of M1, M2, M3 and M4. M1 has the highest liquidity and M4 has the lowest liquidity. M2 has less than M1 liquidity, M3 has less than M2 liquidity, M4 has the lowest liquidity. If velocity of money increases, then money supply will also increase. If velocity of money decreases, then money supply will also decrease. It's a very important topic from the perspective of NTA net. In December 2014, a question was asked regarding M3. What does M3 comprises of? So M3 comprises of M1, that is currency with public plus demand deposits with banks plus other deposits with RBI plus time deposits with banks. In June 2014, another question was asked. We were asked to put M1, M2, M3 and M4 in ascending order in terms of their liquidity. So it would be M4, M3, M2 and M1. As we move from M1 to M4, liquidity goes on decreasing. Another question was asked in the paper of September 2013. M1 is equal to currency outside banks, that is currency with public, checking deposits and traveler's check. M0 comprises of currency in circulation plus demand deposits with RBI plus other deposits with RBI. We were asked a question regarding M3 in December 2012 paper. M3 is of M1 currency with public plus demand deposits with commercial banks plus other deposits with RBI plus time deposits with banks. In June 2010, another question was asked regarding M1. M1 comprises of currency with public plus demand deposits with commercial bank, C plus R plus other deposits with RBI. In June 2009, paper 2, one more question was asked. According to third working group 1998, RBI used which measure to measure total money supply? That is M2 plus M3. M2 is M1 plus post office deposits plus M3 is M1 plus time deposits with commercial banks. That was all. Thank you.